Hello friends, now we will discuss a very interesting topics of chemical kinetics, that is pseudo first order reaction. Now there are some reactions which actually follows first order kinetics. As for example, hydrolysis of ethyl acetate. Hydrolysis of ethyl acetate. This is ethyl acetate, CH3COOC2H5. Hydrolysis means reaction with water. Actually, hydro means water and lysis means breaking. That is, breaking by means of water is called hydrolysis. When ethyl acetate react with water, acetic acid and ethyl alcohol is formed. Now, this reaction actually follows a second order kinetics. That means the rate is proportional to the first power of molar concentration of ethyl acetate and molar concentration of water. Both have single power. So, we can write like this: R is equal to some constant K into molar concentration of ethyl acetate into molar concentration of water. So the order is 2 because sum of 1 plus 1 is 2. But in huge excess of water, that is when the reaction is carried in aqueous medium, the reaction when carried in aqueous medium, that means concentration of water is very high. Under this condition, this concentration of water throughout the process remain practically constant, and we can write the rate equation like that: R equal to some constant K1 into molar concentration of ethyl acetate. Now what is K1? K1 equal to K into molar concentration of water. Mind it, the molar concentration of water remain constant. So K into molar concentration of water is another constant, that is K1. So the reaction rate equation becomes R equal to K1 into concentration of ethyl acetate. That is, the rate actually depends only on the first power of molar concentration of ethyl acetate. Hence, the order of the reaction is 1. The order changes from 2 to 1. So, this is called pseudo first order reaction. Now, what is the definition of pseudo first order reaction? The reaction which actually follows second order kinetics, but in presence of huge excess of one reactant follow first order kinetics, is called pseudo first order reaction. Mind it, all pseudo first order reactions are actually a second order reaction. Another example of pseudo first order reaction is inversion of cane sugar. cane sugar is C12H22O11, and when cane sugar reacts with water, it undergo hydrolysis in presence of H plus ion catalyst. It forms C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This is called glucose and this is called fructose. They are the isomers of each other. Now the reaction rate is equal to some constant K into molar concentration of C12H22O11 into molar concentration of water, that is, the order is 2, but when the concentration of H2O is very high, the reaction rate becomes R equal to some constant K1 into molar concentration of sucrose. That means K1 is a constant where K1 equal to K into molar concentration of water. So this is another example of pseudo first order reaction, that is inversion of cane sugar, that means hydrolysis of cane sugar to form glucose and fructose. This is actually follows second order kinetics, but in presence of huge excess of water, it follows first order kinetics. So these are the two examples of pseudo first order reaction. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.